I love jeans, but finding the perfect fit can be impossible. Slim jeans are my favorite, but I always have to go at least 2 sizes in order for it to fit my thighs, and most importantly, give my crotch some breathing room. Also, don't get me started on the comfort. Most jeans are stiff and offer zero stretch. This is where the perfect jean comes in. The perfect jean prides himself on affordable, ultra comfortable jeans. Whether you're in the office, playing basketball, salsa dancing, the perfect jean claims that their jeans will allow you to do anything comfortably and look good at the same time. I picked up a pair of their jeans to see if they live up to the hype. I'll be going over in detail the material, the fit, the features, and the comfort. Everything that you need to know before you buy, so keep watching. This is a standard jean that is stiff, uncomfortable, and crushes my nuts. And this is the perfect jean that does the exact opposite. I have 2 pairs in the dark blue and white colorway. They offer a total of 13 different colors. The perfect jean is made from 64.5% cotton, 30% polyester, 3.5% viscose, and 2% spandex. This is the lightweight 10.5-ounce knit denim. This is the perfect t-shirt. It is made from 95% organic cotton and 5% spandex. And lastly, this is the Denkhaki. What is Denkhakis, you ask? The perfect jean was able to take the professional look of khakis and fuse them with the timeless cool look of jeans to bring you Denkhakis. I picked up the slim thick Denkhaki in the smoke colorway. Denkhaki is made from 78% cotton, 20% polyester, and 2% spandex. This is the lightweight 10-ounce knit denim. Now let's talk about the feature of this jean. This is your standard 5-pocket design with the zip fly. The metal rivets is engraved with the TPJ logo, and the front button has the perfect jean NYC engraved on. The zipper is a high quality YKK zipper. The back pockets are very minimalistic with only a tiny TPJ logo stitched on the top right. Instead of on the outside of the jean like most brands, the perfect jean has their patch sewn on the inside. What makes these jeans stand out is the comfort. This gives you 22% elasticity with this poly cotton and spandex blend. The fabric is ridiculously soft, or as what they like to call it, as soft as a baby's bottom. You'll find the same exact features on the Denkhaki as well. Stretchy jeans can't be durable, right? Let's put that to the test. I have 25-pound weights that I'm gonna stack on top of these jeans. I'm gonna try lifting the weights with the jeans itself, and let's see if the jeans will hold up. I'm using both jean legs to support the weight, and everything is going smoothly. Maybe too smoothly. Let's make this a little harder and use just one leg. There you have it. As you can see, there are no rips or tears. These jeans held up amazingly. Now we can put that dumb rumor to rest that stretchy jeans are not durable, because the perfect jean is as durable as it can get. Now let's talk about the perfect t-shirt. This shirt is extremely minimal. There's a subtle TPJ logo printed on the top back. The hem of the shirt is very slightly curved because of fashion. Just like their jeans, the fabric is extremely soft and stretchy. Oh yeah, this is also 180 GSM, so you know the fabric is high quality and durable. For the sizing, the perfect jean does not discriminate. They offer waist sizes from as low as 26 to as big as 50. The length also spans a wide range from 26 to 38. The jean I picked up are in a size 30. The hip measures to 19.5 inches, thigh 10.5 inches, rise 11 inches, and leg opening is 7 inches. Here's how the jean look on me. For reference, I'm 5'10", 160 pounds, and I went with a size 30-32. If you're in between sizes, you definitely should size down because the waist is very stretchy. This is a slim thick fit, so from the knee up you get the same comfort as wearing straight fits, but from the knee down you get the refined look of a slim fit. The perfect fit should complement your leg shape, meaning it should not bunch or tightly stick to your legs. The 10.5 inch thigh opening and 19.5 inch hip opening is just what I was looking for. Plenty of room for my butt, and most importantly, my nuts are free. My thighs also don't feel that restriction that most slim jeans give me. Moving down the knee, this tapers to a 7-inch leg opening, which is very versatile, meaning you can pair these up with any type of shoes. Overall, the jean gives your legs just the right amount of breathing room that gives off a nice tailored look that really makes your legs look great. The fit on the Denkhakis is just as perfect as the jeans. The 11-inch thigh opening and 18.5-inch hip opening makes my legs look great. From the knee down, it tapers to a 7-inch leg opening, which pairs perfectly with a pair of sneakers or boots. Here's how the perfect t-shirt fits. My chest size is 38 inches and I went with a size small. The fit on this tee is incredible. It accentuates and highlights all the best parts of my body without looking overly tight. The slightly curved hem give it a nice refined look. The soft fabric feels so comfortable against my skin, and the stretch makes this my favorite tee to wear all day. Now let's talk about the stretch on the jean. The 22% elasticity is a game changer. Never would I imagine wearing jeans to work out or go for a jog and still be comfortable. Not only is it stretchy, but also the fabric is so soft. Reminds me of my PJs, and I have to admit that I've fallen asleep wearing these jeans more than once. The minimalist design will never go out of style, and with this perfect fit and extreme comfort, these jeans are by far my favorite in my closet. So what's my final verdict on the perfect jean? The perfect jean makes the most comfortable jeans that I've ever tried on. Not only is the material soft and stretchy, but the fit is on point. So check out the website. They have so many different colors and fits to choose from that will make all body types look good. Not only do they sell jeans, but they also sell the perfect t-shirt and hoodie. I'm confident that you'll find something that you like. So click my link in the description and check out the website, and I promise you that you won't be disappointed. So that's it for these videos. This video helped you guys out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.